Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hard reset your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll actually need to press and quickly release the volume up button. So it's the volume up button, it should be on the left side of your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button and quickly follow by pressing and releasing the volume down button. Then hold the side button, that is the power button, and hold it till you see the Apple logo appear. So wait till the Apple logo appears, and right when the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button. Doing that, your Apple logo will appear and your iPhone should reset. And that's basically how you hard reset on your iPhone. It's also called force reset and force restart as well. So you can do that, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.